If you spent any time on real estate social media lately, you probably have seen the house hacking pitch. Buy a property, rent part of it out, live for free. It sounds great, but how much of it is actually true? Well, here's what you need to know about house hacking in 2026. What works, what doesn't, and who it's actually right for. First, let's define it simply. House hacking means buying a primary residence and generating income from it to help offset your monthly ownership costs. That's it. The living for free part is just the oversimplified version. Now, there are three main ways buyers are doing this right now. The first is a secondary suite or ADU, a basement apartment, an in-law suite, a backyard unit, or a converted space with its own entrance. This approach has gotten a big boost from policy changes. Fannie Mae now allows projected ADU rental income to count toward mortgage qualifying, up to 30% of total qualifying income. That's huge. Now, the second approach is multi-generational living, sharing the home and the cost with family. This one is rising fast. Multi-generational purchases have hit record highs, driven largely by buyers supporting aging parents or adult children at the same time. And the third is the classic multifamily purchase, a duplex or small rental property where you live in one unit and rent the others. Low down payment options exist for owner-occupied multifamily, making the entry point more accessible than most buyers realize. Now, here is the honest math. The free housing narrative was always a stretch, and it's even less common now. Rates remain elevated compared to a few years ago and even earlier this year, and prices have not dropped meaningfully, especially in San Diego County. But that does not kill the strategy. The real goal in 2026 is to turn an unaffordable property into a manageable one, and that's a genuine win. A rental unit that covers even a portion of the mortgage can be the difference between qualifying for a home and not qualifying for the home. The buyers who succeed at this run conservative numbers, they plan for vacancies, they budget for maintenance, they don't bet everything on 100% occupancy and top of the market rents because all of that can change. Now, this strategy works best for three groups. First-time buyers facing an affordability gap, the sandwich generation, navigating caregiving and costs at the same time, and future investors who want to learn the ropes before taking on a standalone rental property for themselves. So before getting started, zoning and local regulations matter a lot. Doing things by the book from the start is the only approach that will hold up over time. And be honest about a lifestyle fit. Sharing a property with tenants, whether they're strangers or family, requires clear boundaries, realistic expectations. The interpersonal side of house hacking is just as important as the financial side. So if you have any questions about this or would like to talk it over, give me a call, reach out to me. I'm here to help. I'm Andrea Hamacher, Coldwell Banker West.